In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a table in Quickbase. To get started, first log into your Quickbase account. Once logged in, find the app that contains the table you wish to delete and click on it. This will bring you inside the app. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a list of all your tables. In my example, I have 4 tables listed. If I click on the 3 lines next to any table that I might want to delete, you'll notice that there is no direct delete option available from here. To actually remove a table, you'll need to go into the App Settings. Click on App Settings, located at the upper left-hand side of your screen. Once on the App Settings page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Tables and click on it. This will take you to the Table Management area. Hover your mouse over the table you want to delete, and at the far end, you'll see a small trash bin icon indicating the delete option. Before proceeding, keep in mind that deleting a table is a permanent action and cannot be undone. Make sure you back up any important data before continuing. Once you're certain, click on the delete icon. A confirmation box will appear asking you to type yes to confirm that you truly want to delete this table. Enter yes and then click on delete table. After doing this, your selected table will be permanently deleted and it will no longer appear in your app. That's how you can safely delete a table in Quickbase.